Combinations with replacement and maximal occurrence constraint. This code most print chars what count if less than 5. What I try do, check if at string from join at fly if there is repeated any of characters lay than x times at any position of that string and print strings only what true to that. Problem is no matter what I try do, or it's print all and ignore if, or print nothing. How do it right, or maybe at Python exists simple solution. Result most be as example lay than 5. More clear explanation, filter all string with characters more than x repeations before give to next function. As example, there is simple print that strings, and not print strings what not at rule.
A more constructive approach, meaning, I do not iterate over all possible combinations, I construct the valid combinations directly. You need to have SymPy installed for this to work. In the example I only use the elements abtef and restrict the repetitions to be strictly smaller than max equals 4. I fix the length of the strings to be output at m equals 6. I start by getting all the partitions of m with restricted repetitions k equals max 1 and not consisting of more than m equals n parts. I immediately convert those to a list. Of those lists I iterate over the multiset permutations, I mean those to represent the elements that I select and how often they are repeated, e.g. The result you want is then the multiset permutation of those strings. For your case you'd then need to change. But the complexity of that is huge, but way better than the one of the original approach.
If I understand you right, you want to print strings where each character is found only 4 times at maximum. Prints